It's 2019 and we're more health conscious now than ever before. With all the information available, there's zero excuse not to be up to date with the basics of nutrition. Luckily, we're here to help. Here are the top 5 important nutrition facts that you need to know to get your diet in order. Number 1. Carbohydrates are essential. Low-carb diets are all the rage when it comes to weight loss, but a healthy diet is one that promotes nutritional balance and doesn't restrict an entire food group. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source, but not all carbs are created equal. Instead of excluding carbs from your diet, try to avoid refined carbs such as white rice, white bread, and sweet and savoury processed snacks. Alternatively, you should include more carbohydrate-rich whole foods, like brown rice, beans, and fresh fruit and veg. Not only are these foods packed full of beneficial nutrients, but they will help to balance your blood sugar levels, which means that you'll feel fuller and more energised for longer. The minimum recommended daily intake for carbs is between 45 to 65% of your daily calories. Number 2. Facts and fiction. We need to stop fat shaming. Just like carbs, not all fats are created equally. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in foods like avocado and nuts are good for your heart and can help to lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. However, you'd be smart to avoid trans fats like the ones found in margarine and fried foods, as these are associated with a number of life-threatening and chronic diseases. It's generally recommended to keep your fat intake to around 20 to 35% of your daily calories. Number 3. Protein power. Protein gets all the love. This celebrity status macronutrient is always on trend, and for good reason too. Protein makes up the building blocks of just about every major organ and process in your body. It also acts as a backup source of energy for when carbohydrates and fats aren't available. Depending on how active you are, it's recommended that between 10 and 35% of your daily calories should come from protein. Number 4. Not all sugars are bad. It's good to know that not all sugars are harmful. Naturally occurring sugars such as the fructose found in fresh fruit can be safely consumed as part of a healthy diet. The sugars you need to avoid are the ones added to processed foods, such as sucrose, dextrose, maltose, and other artificial sweeteners. These provide almost no nutritional benefits and are proven to have a detrimental effect on your health over time. The recommended daily intake for sugar is no more than between 5 and 10% of your daily calories. Number 5. Get more vitamin Z. Good news everyone, we can all go back to bed. Studies show that along with eating well and exercising, getting enough sleep is absolutely vital for maintaining good health. When we sleep, our bodies get to work to process, restore, and strengthen every cell and systemic function that we rely on to keep us alive each day. Not getting enough sleep can throw this crucial process out of balance and is linked to rapid weight gain, depression, and reduced mental and physical performance. So give yourself a much-needed break and ensure that you're getting around 7 to 9 hours sleep nightly if you're an adult, and between 8 to 10 hours nightly for children and teenagers. Well, there you have it. We hope you learned something valuable today. Good nutrition really doesn't have to be complicated. If you have any more tips, tell us about them in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.